A small coastal town enforces a law that fines residents for loud bird alarms at dawn. Yet the birds seem louder than the people, and laughter erupts as fines bounce between boardwalks and beak beats. A rule exposes an irony. Humans protect peace by policing nature, only to discover nature happily ignores the rules and steals the spotlight. Vendors adapt by selling silent bells and echoing light shows, turning a nuisance into a tourist draw. Citizens debate whether silence is harmony or conformity, and whether humor can curb chaos better than any statute. The tale ends with a reminder that absurd laws often illuminate shared wit and resilience.